Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming eligibility: age, language proficiency, education, and skilled work experience. Once you meet minimums, get an educational credential assessment and book IELTS. These raise your comprehensive ranking system score. Next, prepare police checks and a valid passport. These are required early. Create an express entry profile now, enter accurate work history and CRS factors, and save your profile. Make sure to opt into job bank notifications and check provincial nominee streams if your CRS is below typical draw cutoffs. Once your profile is active, focus on boosting your CRS. Retake the language test for higher bands, add recent work or study, and include spouse factors if beneficial. Apply directly to provincial nominee programs when eligible. Nominations add 600 CRS points and virtually guarantee an invitation to apply. If you get a valid job offer, claim points and secure employer's LMIA if needed. Meanwhile, schedule your medical exam and plan for biometrics so you can upload documents immediately after receiving an invitation to apply. When you receive the invitation to apply, act fast. Complete the online application, upload required documents, pay processing and right of permanent residence fees, and confirm biometrics and medical exams. Once submitted, monitor the IRC portal daily and respond to any additional document requests or biometric prompts. Delayed replies hurt timelines. If approved, follow landing instructions and prepare for travel. If refused, read the refusal reasons carefully. Then correct missing information, consider judicial review or reapply after resolving issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.